Lavario Portable Clothes Washer, manual non-electric portable washing machine for camping, apartments, RVs, delegates. Patented. Best portable clothes washer in the world. See our 2-minute video. Lavario is the only non-electric clothes washer that can wash jeans and sweatshirts. Eco-friendly, hand-powered, non-electric, easy up and down motion. Incredible cleaning power. Saves money. Pays for itself in 4 to 5 trips you won't take to the laundromat. No electricity required. Uses only a fraction of the water and detergent used by electric machines. Convenient, portable, lightweight and easy to use anywhere. Cleans clothes in less than 20 minutes. Great for RVs, camping, apartments, dorms, delegates, exercise clothing, and more. Also ideal when you only have a few items to wash. Made in the USA. Lavario was meticulously engineered for durability and performance and is proudly made in the USA. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.